How to fix Marvel Rivals voice chat not working. Hello everyone, if you are experiencing issues with voice chat in Marvel Rivals on your PC, try the following steps to resolve the problem. Firstly, navigate to your Marvel Rival apps. Right now, let's just consider that this is the Marvel Rival app. Right-click on the app and select the option Run as Administrator. This can help resolve permission-related issues affecting voice chat. If you have the file in .exe form, then that will also work. Now also try to give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a minor issue can be fixed with a restart. Also try to check in-game's voice chat settings. Open the game and go to the settings menu. Ensure that the voice chat is enabled and properly configured. If you have the .exe file, then right-click on it. Now just like in the picture, check this option, after which your problem should be fixed. Additionally, open Device Manager on your PC. From the left panel, extend the option Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Now select your headphone or the sound medium that you use. Right-click on the sound system and select Update Driver. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.